If it becomes apparent that there is going to be an issue with respect to the insurance company's agreement with your contractor's estimate, it's important to keep in mind that there are a couple of mechanisms that are available to you as the policyholder in order to resolve that dispute. The first is appraisal provision that's located in your policy of insurance. Now, each policy of insurance contains a little bit different language as it relates to the appraisal provision. Generally, the way that that provision works is it's an alternative dispute resolution process, which is much more efficient and cost effective than filing suit against the insurance company. The provision allows for you as the policyholder to name an appraiser, and then the insurance company will name an appraiser. Those appraisers are independent and will provide their own evaluation of the scope and cost to repair the property as it relates to the damage from the storm. Following that, if the two appraisers are unable to agree as to the amount of loss, a third independent umpire is selected, and that umpire evaluates the information that's been provided by each of the two appraisers. In order for a binding award to be issued, there needs to be two signatures, be one or both of the adjusters or one of the appraisers and the umpire. There are a couple things to keep in mind when you're demanding appraisal. It's very important as the policyholder to set the scope of the appraisal. A lot of times insurance carriers will attempt to define the amount of loss as merely a cost dispute. However, courts in Colorado have determined that the appraisal process is not only appropriate to determine cost of repair, but also scope of repair. In other words, whether or not a particular building component has been damaged by hail, and if so, then what the cost of that repair is. In conclusion, unlike policyholders in Colorado, our office handles these particular issues on a daily basis. So feel free to reach out. No matter how big or how small, we're here to answer your questions and ensure that the insurance carrier pays what it owes as it relates to the property damage. Stay safe out there and look forward to hearing from you.